hello guys. This is the question in JEE PYQ in 2025 recent question, which is asked on 29th January evening shift. Okay, so what is the question? A parallel plate capacitor consisting of two circular plates of radius 10 centimeter is being charged by the constant current of 0.15 ampere. If the rate of change of potential difference between the plates is 7 into 10 to the power 6 volt per second, then the integer value of the distance between the parallel plate is what in mu m. Okay, so in this question already given some values. So take epsilon naught is equals to 9 into 10 to the power minus 12 f by m, and pi is equals to 22 by 7 है ना. So what is the actual concept behind this question, guys? So let us start with the concept. Okay, so let's solve the question using formula for current in a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so in a parallel plate capacitor being charged, the displacement current is related to the rate of change of voltage using. So this is the basic concept behind this, and calculational part of this question is in continuation. Okay, then okay students, how you approach this question? So let's start solving this question. Okay, so here I is equals to, as per given in your question, is equals to 0.15 ampere, then r is equals to 10 centimeter, which we convert 1 by 10 as meter. Okay, then dv by dt is equals to 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, then if your question asked you, if you go through your question, then your question asked parallel plate capacitor regarding. Okay, so we know that parallel plate capacitor, for a parallel plate capacitor, what is the formula of our capacitance? So C is equals to, we know that for a parallel plate capacitor, what is the formula of capacitance? C is equals to epsilon naught A by D. Then C is equals to what? Epsilon naught, and A is equals to what? Pi r square by D. Okay, so let us assume this equation as equation number 1. Then what we do? So in a capacitor, as per your question given, I is equals to 0.15 ampere. Then in a capacitor Q is equals to CV. Then V is equals to Q by C. Then if you differentiate both sides, then what you get? dV by dt. If you differentiate, okay, what you get? Differentiate, then dV by dt is equals to 1 by C into dq by dt. Okay, then what we do? So dV by dt is equals to 1 by C. So let us try to put this value, the value of C, from equation number 1. So what we get? So epsilon naught pi r square. Okay, this is inversely proportional. Then value get epsilon naught pi r square and d. Okay, into dq by dt. And dq by dt is what? I, because rate of change of charge, rate of change of charge is equal to current. Then this is the our value. dV by dt is equals to d by epsilon naught pi r square into I. Then what we do? From here, let us take d. Then find out the value of d. Then what we get? D is equals to epsilon naught pi r square into upon I into dV by dt. Okay, dV by dt. Then putting all values here. Okay, so d is equals to what? Epsilon naught, you take epsilon naught as a 9, not 8.85. So 9 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 22 by 7 into r is what? 1 by 10 na? So r square 1 by 1 by 10 का स्क्वायर मतलब 1 by 100. Okay, and dv by dt is what? 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. So put these all values in this section. Okay, then what we get after solving, after putting all these values, then what we get? So it's a simple calculation. Okay, d is equals to 9 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 22 by 7 into r square means 1 by 100. Okay, then dv by dt is equals to 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, and I is equals to upon 0.15. Then after solving this, you get what you get. After solving these all, you get 0.15 and 22 into 9, 22 into 9. 22 into 9 is 198 upon 0.15 into 7 cancel, then 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, 10 to the power minus 6 meters. Then it's equal to 0. So 15 into 15 ones are 15. 48. 15 threes are, then 15 twos are, then 0. Okay, then d is equals to what you get? 1320 into mu m. This is your answer. Okay, this is your solution. Okay, so let us proceed our next question of 2025 JEE Mains. Okay, so what is our next question? Next question have been asked 23rd January. 23rd January. Okay, 23rd January. Evening shift. And what is the actual question is? What is the actual question is? So your question is at steady state. Okay, guys. At steady state, the charge of the as shown in figure. So let us draw our circuit as shown in the circuit. Okay, as shown in circuit. So let us draw our circuit. Okay, ये है अपना सर्किट है. So this is connected with potential 5 volt, and this is what? 8 mu f. Okay, 8 microfarad, and this is resistance is 10 omega, and this is 15 omega. Then okay, so this is our circuit. Okay, then we have to find out the circuit blow. Circuit blow question is circuit blow is mu c, in forms of mu c. Okay, so how you get solve this question, this circuit? Okay, so here r is equals to 10 and 15. 10, 15, 25. Okay, 25 is what? Resistance. So I is equals to, you know na, I is equals to v by r. Then v is equals to 5, and r is equals to 10 plus 15. Then 5 by 25. 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. And here charge is what? Q is equals to CV. Then C is equals to what? This is the value of C. 8 into 10 to the power minus 6.